Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So the dollar yen did end up making a real nice push up. I've been long on this all day. I still think that it needs to hit this 78% Fibonacci from the daily time frame. So I'm definitely still looking at anything I see to the downside as possibly just a pullback. I don't know whether it's just going to make a small pullback and keep on going up, or whether it wants to make a much bigger pullback like this. But either way, as long as it doesn't go down and take out any significant lows, which is way down here in my opinion, that I am definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend. I'm holding on to longs and possibly looking for more longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. The higher time frame is definitely still up, and the higher time frames are always your friend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.